Hey guys, Elliot here with Worldwide Auctioneers, and I'm standing here in front of our over 200,000 square foot facility, and we're getting ready for our 55th annual Auburn auction. So I wanted to showcase some of the unique offerings we're going to be having this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday right here in Auburn, Indiana. This is a 2007 Aston Martin V8 Vantage. Now today, these are often considered one of the entry-level ways to get into the supercar grand tourer market, because a lot of these are higher mileage and they've got to become pretty cheap. But this example is not one of those. This is a very special example because this one has not only the 6-speed manual, but it has under 5,000 miles on it. I don't know the last time I saw one of these with that low of mileage. And while it's beautiful and you can see its hand-built V8 engine, I think beauties like this are actually better appreciated from behind the wheel. So Worldwide Auctioneers is actually going to let me take this thing out on the road and get a little taste of what it's like to drive an Aston Martin. All right, out on the road in the Aston Martin V8 Vantage. And like I said, this one's got that beautiful slick shifting 6-speed. A lot of these had paddle shifting transmissions, which, as cool as they were for the time, well, they just haven't aged all that well. So this is the way you want it. These cars are great, both grand tours, but also a lot of people consider them like baby supercars because that 3.8 liter V8 under the hood absolutely screams. And it sounds more like a muscle car than a Ferrari or anything like that, but it gives this Aston Martin some uniqueness. Now, right away, it's got that traditional sports car. You're sitting at the back and you've got the world of car in front of you driving position, but it's very comfortable. And I feel like I could drive this thing for miles and miles, but not this one, of course, because like I said out there, under 5,000 miles, and I need to correct myself, it's actually under 3,000 miles. This is the lowest mileage one of these I've maybe ever seen since they were new. Now, because part of the fun of an Aston Martin is that sound and you want to hear this 6-speed transmission, let's hear what that V8 sounds like. Let's just... Wow. Yeah, that sounds good. I'm going to roll my window up now. See, over a certain RPM, those valves open up, and I think even my cameraman Evan noticed that. I'm going to do that one more time to hear those valves. Yeah, it sounds good. And because this thing is so low mileage, it literally drives like it's brand new. These are the type of premium offerings you can only find at Worldwide Auctioneers. And of course, this car will be going up this Saturday right here in Auburn, Indiana, as part of our 55th annual Auburn auction, right here in, of course, Auburn, Indiana. Now, if you can't be here, you can always bid on the phone, you can always bid online, but to see and hear vehicles like this, you're gonna wanna be here in Auburn, Indiana this Labor Day weekend. We'll see you guys at the Auburn auction.